guys, how you all doing, and welcome to my another episode of Rishu Vlogs. So guys, before starting my video, I just wanted to tell you guys, those who have subscribed to my channel, please press that bell icon. Please press that bell icon because that's very important, because some of you are not getting updates of my videos. So do press the bell icon and let's get into the video guys. Today's video will be going on the Ford EcoSport, as you all can see. This is the 2017 edition and this car comes in 7 variants. You'll get all 7 variants in diesel and petrol as well. So right now we are having a petrol titanium 1.5 liter with automatic transmission. So let's see what this baby has. The contemporary styling of this car is just amazing. It's definitely a head turner, and this car is very beautiful and it looks gorgeous, and it has got a tall boy stance too, as it's a mini SUV. About the engine guys, this EcoSport has got 1.5 liter of diesel as well as petrol engine, which gives a healthy punch of power and efficiency. So here we have the petrol engine guys, and it's automatic. So I'll talk about automatic later on. This car generates a maximum 110 bhp at 6300 rpm and a Newton meter torque of 140 at maximum of 4400 rpms. Guys, now talking about the looks of the car. The car is quite bubbly. As you can see, the front of the car has very small headlights covering with a huge grille that complements the look, and it has got fog lights as well, which has been uplifted a little bit from the downside of the bumper. The side of the car guys, the car is tall and it has got massive 17-inch wheels, which is nice, and it has got ORVMs which are electronically adjustable, and it has also got the turning indicator. That is common in all cars coming now. So guys, most of you don't know what this button is for. So those who don't know, this is the key guys. You can easily access the doors with the keys, unlock and lock it. But if you have this key and your hands are almost full, just example that my hands are full and I am not able to approach my key which is in my pocket. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm just gonna tap this button and the car is gonna unlock, and same way it's gonna lock. It will only work if you are in the radius of 1 meter. So that's a good feature guys. Now guys, I'll be seeing the legroom of this car. So let's pop in and see. So guys, as you can see, the car is very spacious and it has got plenty of headroom, and my legs are not being chopped by the front seat. That's a good. You can easily be comfortable at the back of the car. So that was the back. Now let's check the driver's seat guys. So guys, coming to the driver's seat. It is quite comfortable while sitting inside the car. It's quite comfortable. Driving position is quite comfortable. So guys, coming to the interior. We have got some steering mounted controls, and we have got the adjustable steering. So we've got the adjustable steering. Yes guys, as you can see, you can adjust it to your height, and it has also got a telescopic steering. This steering comes up over here or goes back down to your driving position. I have set it according to my driving position. That's good. and let me turn this car on for you guys. So guys, this is the instrumental cluster as you can see on the car. Basically it shows the speedometer, RPM, fuel over there, that's a bit small, and there is the meter guys, which will show your average, in which gear you are. Like, it's automatic variant, so it is showing P, and when I'll go to D, when I'll go in D, so it will easily tell you that I am in driving mode, and when I'll just go to parking, it will tell you that I am in the parking mode. So guys, this is the instrumental cluster you're gonna get in this car. It has got a digital audio console, and there's a small screen right over here that will be telling you everything, and that's a new music system introduced by Ford, that is Sync, and you can just sync your phone. There is no Apple CarPlay, or I just don't know, I have not tried my iPhone on this car, so I'll be telling you or informing you in my next video in a brief overview of the EcoSport. So this is the music system you'll be getting, and these are the navigation keys to navigate through the screen over there. Here is where you'll be attaching your aux cable, your USB, and there's a 12-volt charger. That is all normal. And now I'll be checking the result of the power steering, that how soft this is. So this feels quite nice and handy. Yeah guys, the steering is pretty light, it's very light, and that's the ignition kill switch. As you can see, these are the wiper switches, these are the indicators, and that's pretty much in the interior. And one more thing I left, this car has automatic climate control. As you can see, it also tells the outside temperature, and right now it's set to auto. As you all can see, we have the rear defoggers. That's pretty much inside the interior of the EcoSport guys. So guys, talking about the safety, which is must in all the cars, this cars come with airbags, 6 airbags, and that is first in this segment. It has got curtain airbags, which is damn good to have, and this car comes with ABS, EBD equipped. That was about the safety guys. So let's move to the outside. This car has got electronically adjustable outside mirrors, which is nice, but it's lagging in one thing, that the mirrors are not foldable, which you get in other cars which are coming in the same price and which are the competitors of this car. So now let's talk about the boot space of this car guys. So guys, now talking about the boot space of the EcoSport, most of you will be thinking that the door comes off like this at the hatchback, but in this scenario the doors just opens to the right or to the left. So guys, this is the boot space. This car lags in boot space. It has got only 326 liters of boot space, as you can see, and let me show you guys. That's all basic stuff under there, and the stepney is right at the back of the door, as you all can see. We are also getting a rear wiper in this model, as it's the top model guys. Now I'll be talking about the basic features of the car. It has 4 power windows, fog lights, LED lights. It has got climate control, alloy wheels, 17-inch alloy wheels, and it has got an automatic transmission. It has got a rear cabin light, and guys, one thing which is missing is rear AC vents. I don't know why they have not put that, but that's a different issue. This model costs around 10,54,000 ex showroom in Chandigarh and around 11 lakhs on road. I don't know on road exact price guys. Ex showroom I'll telling you is 10,54,000. So if you guys are interested, you can go to your nearest for resellers. So guys, that was the basic. So guys, now I'll be ending my video over here. If you guys like my video, do give a smashing thumbs up, because when you like, the rank of the video goes up. So liking is must, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, right over here to subscribe, right over here to watch my last video. Until next time, more coming soon. Peace out.